Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Azure Every Day. My name is Christopher Furlis. I'm Senior Principal Architect over here at Pragmatic Works. And today we're going to go in a slightly different direction than we have been. We're going to talk about Azure Automation, right? So it's a really cool service, right? That's cloud-based automation service that helps you provide the ability to configure process automation, update management, and system configuration, which is managed across your on-premises resources as well as your cloud-based resources, right? So your Azure-based resources. And then what it does is it provides complete control of deployment, operation, and decommissioning of workloads and resources for your hybrid environment. So we've got one single pane of glass for managing all of our resources through automation. Some of the features of this product, if you will, is that it allows you to automate those sort of mundane, error-prone activities that you perform as part of your system configuration and maintenance. So if you've got anything special that you're doing in your systems that you have to go across and do them manually, this helps you do that. You can create notebooks in Powershell or Python that help you reduce the chance for those misconfiguration errors, and it also helps you lower operational costs for the maintenance of those systems because you're not doing it manually now, right? You can do it with a script and script it out and schedule it and do it when you need. The notebooks themselves can be developed for on-premises or Azure resources, and they use webhooks that allows you to trigger automation from things like ITSM, DevOps, and monitoring systems, right? So you can run these remotely, you can trigger them from basically wherever you need to. Now, from the configuration management side, you can build these desired state configurations for your enterprise environment. So this will help you to set a baseline for how your systems will operate and will identify when there is a variance from the initial system configuration. So something changes on your system, there's an anomaly going on, there's something you want to identify as could be problematic, it's going to let you know, right? It also has like a really, really nice rich reporting backend and alerting interface for that full visibility into what's happening in your Windows and Linux systems on premises and in Azure. That's right, they actually will help you support Linux systems as well, now that we know that the vast majority of systems in Azure are actually Linux-based. Pretty cool stuff. It gives you update management aspects, right? Again, Windows and Linux. Helps you define the aspects of how updates are applied, and it helps administrators to specify which updates will be deployed, right? Successful or unsuccessful deployments, and the ability to specify which updates shouldn't be deployed to systems. So you can go in and say, here's the updates that I want loaded, here's the time that I want them installed and performed, and let me know which ones are successful, let me know if there are any problems, that kind of stuff, right? All done through PowerShell, all done through Python. You create these scripts and deploy them. It's got the ability to share capabilities, right? So when you talk about, using multiple resources or building these notebooks for automation, right? It allows you to share the resources for simplification of management. So you build multiple scripts, but then you can use the same resources over and over again as references for things like role-based access control, variables, credentials, certificates, connections, schedules, and access to source control and PowerShell modules, right? So you can check this in and out of source control as if it were any kind of a code-based project, and with the PowerShell modules, you can build your own, as you know, with regular PowerShell. Lastly, I think it's probably the coolest of all is where these are templates and you're deploying them out in your systems. Everybody has some similar challenges, right? So there's a community gallery, right, where you can go and download these various templates that people have created. They're uploaded. You can create your own. You can upload them in there and share them out to people. And then, with some very basic configuration tweaks, you can use some that have already been created. So that's a really cool part. Obviously, you want to review them, make sure they're secure, make sure they're not going to cause any issues and stuff like that. But being that it's of the community nature, similar to open source and things like that, it's it's a great option to help make this process faster. You don't have to go and learn a whole bunch of different stuff in PowerShell. You can find an already existing script, go through it, clean it up, make sure it's everything that you want to handle, and then deploy it in your systems and in your environment. So really cool topic. There's a lot that you can do with this this service, and I think you should really check it out. It'd probably make your maintenance and management a lot more simple. If you have any questions about Azure Automation or Azure in general, we love working through this stuff. We love helping people out. You know, click the link below, get some more information, give us a call, and we're happy to help out. So otherwise, thanks for listening. Have a great day.